Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called SuperBroadcastSystem. This is a very simple plugin that allows you to send broadcasts and announcements on your server. Starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. After installing and restarting your server, join your server. To send a broadcast, type the command /superbroadcast and then the broadcast message. And this is what the broadcast will look like. To send an announcement, type the command /superannouncement and then the announcement message. And this is what the announcement will look like. And that is what this plugin has to offer. If you have any more questions, we will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can easily use the SuperBroadcastSystem plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.